Fever. Now you are okay?
Yeah.
Gandhi, how are you? All good? Papers are come. Where is the Patel? I don't know. What comes? Yeah. Okay. Practice is done. What? No? Why? No time. Where you got 3 weeks? Huh? Full paper, 3 weeks paper. Some, your paper has come. Not yet. Your marks are come. 32. You know, is it your mark? Huh? 30. Yeah, 30. 30.5, 30. So 30. Average is 30.1. Oh, she's happy. Gandhi, social you got? Social, that's all you got. Which one is left out? Hindi.
Hindi science.
Okay. So, homeworks are done. Why? Reason? No time. What are you doing? What are you doing? What work you have? Brothers. I'll send them message for the homework. You are done. My job is done. Why? The other day you are telling I am doing daily homework. Then what happened? Mummy said she's doing daily homework now. Huh? Give the book here. Aaron has come long time. Aaron now homework, no? Aditya now homework. No. Ganesh? No homework. Gandhi. Tanvi? Not done. Next. Another 20 questions. 20 questions done. You? Good. I'll tell father to come over here. Tell. He come back and major being no. Tanvi exam is going on now? Yes. Sure. Yeah. Your exam when it was over? Exam 24. Ah, so today is 26 now. Yeah. Go on outside. Burns. It is not like. I did Spanish. Homework done? No exams. Huh? Exams. Yeah, done now. Where's the exam? Where's the exam we are today? SST. Your exam is next week, na? No, revision is. Yeah. So, study exam. Sit down. Who's calling you? No one. I don't know. Chapter, which chapter to start one? Top is Indian volume. Now look here. First is this one. Surface area and volume. First and foremost thing is now you know last class person the problem again after the okay. What is it? How is the paper? That means out of 80. How was your performance? Good. Where the people are doing out from the Natak over here. 30.5, 6, 7 MCQs are not. MCQs are like how many? 6 and MCQ is subject MCQ MCQ mistake 20 I got 20 I got 90 MCQ correct. You got the then which one you found difficult?
I guess AC related
Huh?
something related.
A first sum of first 8 term of AP. That one. Or there is an option there or sum of 6 terms of an AP. Thank you. Yeah, you know, I'm once again I'm just this one. Shan and Sheena playing a game. That is not with this one, not playing a game with number. Each of them has 4 number of tokens, 2, 3, 4, 5. The token is randomly picked by each of them from the stack simultaneously. Sum of the number picked is the prime number. That wins the game. Probability. By the probability. So first is sum of the numbers. 2 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 5. Then 3 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 5. 4 plus like that is a possible. Then next is what? Find the probability winning the game. 8 was greater probability. So you have to take this one. Chance wins the game if he gets a composite number. If the sum of the pick 5, then is a prime number, Shan wins the game. So 2 plus 2 is not a. Huh? Who is this? You belong to this class?
Yes.
What is your name? Vanjika, hello, how are you? Welcome. Please come, welcome back.
Thank you, sir.
You want to some other place also?
Sir.
How are you? After a long time no see. Where were you?
Exam.
Which exam?
Exam.
Or done? When was the last exam?
Today.
Are it 3 weeks you have terminal exam? When you have to gone from here, we were doing circle. Now we did probability. Now we are doing this one. Today is over. Today what paper?
Yes.
English. How was your English paper? Great. How was your math paper? Also great. Great means after waiting. Mark 80, 75 plus.
Above 70.
Above 7. Some people. What if we came together or? You're from same school? You're from same school? Achha, how was your maths exam? What is this? 50 plus, 60 plus, 70 plus. I don't know. Possible to get 60 plus, 70 plus, 70, 60 plus. Maybe. How was your English? So very good. Fourth epic sign and go Monday onwards homework. That's very good. So sum is hello. 2 plus 2, 2 plus 3. Hello. Count there now, which is prime number. Prime number we can't make the name. And if not a prime number, opposite number, other girls. Okay, so then who are the which is the more chance, which is the highest fraction. Okay. Where's the question paper? Where's the question paper? He's opening the bag and showing you. For good. Now, hello, heroes. Patek. Right, and let's discuss. Now, we are discussing about the volume surface area. Formula over here, basically, there is no new one formula is there. Because, but all the formula, majority, one not only, majority of them we studied in the 9th standard. Okay, without knowing formula, you cannot do this chapter. That is the first thing. Second, this chapter is not easy because combination of solid comes mainly surface area. You will make lot of mistake. In the 9th standard, when you are doing only find the volume of the cylinder, volume of the common surface area like that. Here combined one. Okay, hemisphere, a solid of the form. One end it is hemisphere, other end it is cone, and the middle is a cylinder. Find the volume surface area. Or from a cylinder, one cone is being removed. What is the surface area? What is the volume? Okay, then transferring. Okay, or this one, water transfer through a pipe to a tank. What the rate? How much time required to fill the tank? These are the types of questions are going to come. First is remember formula actually. Do you know what you mean by uniform solid? Uniform solid. Show the water bottle. Those are water good. Uniform solid. The other side. Uniform solid. Are they uniform solid? Anyone knows or not? Could have seen me little more. Look here. Over here. This one, what is the shape of this one? Cuboid. Okay, what is the cuboid? It's a solid with the how many sides are there? 6 faces. All the faces are rectangles. 6 rectangles are there. What is the difference between cuboid and a cube? All faces are equal in the cube and here. Opposite rectangles are same. Opposite rectangles are same. Now over here you see. Do you know what is the meaning of cross section? Cross section means you cut parallel to the base. If you cut parallel to the base, it will be, if you are taking cut parallel to the base, it is same as the base will come, base will stay, or base and top are same thing. Such solids are called uniform solid. If you take this rectangle and this rectangle are same, that is called uniform solid. Or in this way also, this rectangle and this rectangle are same, uniform solid. Over this way also. Over here, imagine this one over here. See, what is the shape of this one? Cylinder. Okay, till imagine up to here. This one. Circle now. If I cut this one, the same circle come, same circle will come. Therefore, cylinder is a uniform solid. Are you followed? Cone, ice cream cone, cornetto. You know, is it a uniform one? No. Just coming in, come to a point. Circle reduced and reduced, not a uniform. So in your cases, which are the uniform solids? Cube, cuboid, cylinder. They are the 3 uniform solids. What are the non-uniform ones? The sphere, cone, hemisphere. They are not uniform. Okay, understood. So right, getting right, surface area and volume. Surface area of the volume. Surface area and volume. Then first formula, volume of a uniform solid. Volume of a uniform solid is equal to area of the base into height. Area of the base into height. Base into area of the base into height. Volume of the uniform solid is equal to area of the base into height. Okay. Even one more is there that is not much useful, still you can write. Okay. Area, surface area of the vertical faces. Surface area of vertical faces. Surface area of the vertical, that's what this. Surface area of the vertical faces is equal to perimeter of the base into height. Perimeter of the base into height. Perimeter of the base into height. Have you followed here? What is the area of this face? L into B, then this is height. So this is L into B multiplied by volume. Okay, if you take a cube, the side is a square, the height of the a cube. If you take the cylinder, what is the area? Pi r square is the height, pi r square. Have you followed or not? That is the form it's coming. Where it is useful means, you know, like water transfer through a pipe. How much volume? Area of the base multiplied by the length of the cross section. Like that. Okay, so these are the 2 things. Now, what is the unit of length, breadth, and height, perimeter, circumference? Length, breadth, height, radius, diameter, for circumference, slant, height, all of them are unit. This means centimeter, meter. So unit of every area, unit square, meter square, centimeter square. You use unit of every volume, cubic unit. Okay, that means it can be conversion. Conversion of centimeter to meter. Conversion divide by 100. Conversion of centimeter to meter is divide by 100. Meter to kilometer divide by 1000. Small to big means divide. Big to small means multiply. Okay. Conversion of centimeter square to meter square. centimeter, divide by 100 square. That means it's square. Understood or not? On conversion of centimeter cube to meter cube, divide by 100 cube. Cube means cube, square means square, meter to meter means multiply. Understood or not? One conversion means square means correspondingly square, correspondingly cube. Okay. Next, 1 liter is equal to, write down. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Okay. Next, 1 meter cube is equal to 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Also, 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kiloliter. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 kiloliter. Okay, this means conversion to remember. Okay, convert it. Sometimes they will ask convert into liters. The remaining all the units mainly. Now, first one by one. Formula anyone remember? On the formula. Huh? So write one by one. First one, cuboid. We close the volume. Right, cuboid. Cuboid. Dimensions. Which are dimensions of the cuboid? L, B, H. L, B dimensions are L, B, H. L, you know what L, B, H, no? L is the length, B is the breadth, H is the height. Okay. Number of faces, 6. Number of faces, 6. By the way, number of edges. Huh? Edges, you know what are the edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges are there. Number of vertices, 8. Number of edges is 12. Number of vertices is equal to how much? Vertices equal to 8. Okay. Then number of diagonals, do you know how many? 4. Top to bottom, top to bottom, bottom to top diagonals. Okay, not the face diagonals. Number of diagonals is equal to 4. Okay. Now, one by one formula. Volume. Formula LBH. That is what? Base area is equal to LB. TSA. Do you know what I mean by TSA? Total surface area. You know it now? 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. If not followed, I will explain to you. LB, 2 rectangles, LB, LB, BH, BH, LH, LH. You know what I mean by LSA? Lateral surface area. Means 2 bases are removed. That is 2 times L plus B into H. Lateral surface area. Lateral surface area, different names are there. You know, dot surface area, basically it is not for this one. Another area is there. Area of 4 walls. Room is the shape of a which one? Cuboid, no? Area of 4 walls is same as lateral surface area. Or area of vertical faces. Area of 4 walls, area of vertical faces. Understood all of you? Okay. Base area, total surface area, lateral surface area. Remember. Done. Diagonal. By these all, sometimes MCQs will come. Root of L square plus B square plus H square. Root of L square plus B square plus H square. When you talk about the cuboid, it is a full solid you will take, okay? It's not box. Okay, we take it as this is this one. Inside, if you cut also, this wood is there, so it is coming as a cuboid. Box means it is a hollow one. Okay. Do you know what is the capacity?
Volume.
Which volume? Internal volume. Capacity means internal volume. If a box is made of wood, what is the volume of the wood? Box is made up of wood. What is the volume of the wood required to make the box? Inner volume minus outer volume. Sorry, outer volume minus inner volume Yes or no? Cuboid, if you're taking box, imagine a box. The dimensions will be inside and outside will be different, no? Yes or no? Okay, right. Volume of material of a box. Volume of material for a box is equal to outer volume minus inner volume. Volume of material for a box is equal to outer volume minus inner volume. That one, these all rare cases comes, but these all things you remember. Now listen all of it. There is a box, closed box, means all the 6 spaces are there. Outer dimensions are given 30, 20 and 15 centimeter. Okay. The thickness of the box is equal to 2 centimeter. Thickness of the box is equal to 2 centimeter. What are its inner dimensions? I repeat, when you see the box is given to you, outside length is equal to 30 centimeter, breadth is equal to 20 centimeter, height is equal to 15 centimeter. Thickness of the box is equal to how much? 2 centimeter. What are the inner dimensions?
20 points.
Dimensions, inner length, not volume. Thickness, both the side you have to remove or not? Only one side only. Both the side you have to remove now. Imagine this room. This wall thickness and that wall thickness you have to remove to get the inner length now. Outside length is 30 centimeter. Inner length means this thickness and that thickness. Both you have to remove now. 30 minus 4, 26. Same way, breadth. Breadth means what? Outside length breadth is equal to 20 centimeter. This thickness and this thickness you have to remove. Then only that is 20 minus 4, 16. And height. Outside when you take it is coming 15. 15 minus 4, 11. Are you followed or not? Look over here. Look over here. If I want to find out the thickness, this thickness and this thickness I have to remove now. Yes or no? Not followed. One thickness is how much? 2 centimeter. Other side also same thickness will come now. If I draw this one, and previous class you must have drawn. This is a rectangular path. There is a path is running around the path. Let's say this is 1 meter. Everywhere it is 1 meter. Then if it is equal to, let's say this is 20 meter and this is equal to 15 meter. What will be the inner length? 20 minus 1 minus 1, this 18 will come. Yes or no? And 15 minus 1 minus 1, this is equal to 13. Are you followed? This thickness and this thickness to subtract this one. Is it clear, all of you? Okay. So remember that one. Suppose now the question I'm changing. If it is the box is open at the top. Box is open at the top. Outer length, breadth and height are this one. What are the inner length, breadth and height? Thickness is same 2 centimeter.
28.
30 minus 2. How 30 minus 2? Top is only open now. So imagine the top. The length will come here now. Length is this one. That is height now. Height will be reduced 2 centimeter because top is not there. The remaining will be 30 minus 4, 20 minus 4. This is 15 minus 2. Think about an open box. Length will be that thickness and this thickness is gone. 20 minus 4. Breadth is these two thickness is gone. For height opened. Therefore, only one thickness has to be removed. Are you followed or not? Imagine, little imagination. Don't try to draw the figure. Then next is again another one. Suppose if it is a box is open board, top and bottom. Bottom also is not there, top also is not there. Then height will remain same. Outside height and inner height will remain same. For these two for removal. Clear or not? Okay. That all when as and when required, you have to do it. Okay, next one. Cube. Done. Next one. Cube. Dimensions. Dimension edge side of the cube A. Dimension. Then volume, number of faces and all will remain the same. Volume A cube. If you take S means S cube. Base area A square. Total surface area. How many surfaces are there? 6. So 6A square. Lateral surface area. 4 faces are there. 4A square. Diagonal on LBH, all three are same. A square plus A square plus A square will come as 3A square. A root 3. Are you follow or not follow? Dimension is what? A cube. All LB and H all are same now. A edge, length, breadth, height, edge of the cube. Okay. Huh? Lateral surface area means what? 4 walls. 4A square. Forward base area, it's a square now. Cube, if it is this is a cube, then it's square now. What is the area of the square? A into A square. Understood or not? Done? All of you? Clear? Any other clarification? Diagonal also followed. A square plus A square plus A square. 3A square. Take the square root. A will come outside root 3. Hello? Patel. Where is Patel? He got the match paper. Today's school was there, no? So this is done. Cube is done. Cuboid is done. Next, cylinder. Cylinder, right circular cylinder. Cylinder, right circular cylinder, both same thing only. Do you know what you mean by right circular cylinder? Base will come as a circle. If it is somewhere, if I slash this way, cut this way, then it will not be a circle. Elliptical shape will come now. That is not the right circle. We don't have that one. Okay. Which are what are the how many faces are there? 3 faces, isn't it? 2 circle, circle, third circle. And 2 bases and the CSA. Are you followed? Number of faces 3. Dimensions R and H. Number of faces is 3. Dimensions are R comma H. R represent what? Length of the base and H is the height. Okay? Are you followed? Now, one by one. First one. Volume pi R square H. Formula, don't make mistake. Volume is equal to volume of the cylinder is equal to pi R square H. Base area. Base is what? Circle now. What is the area of the circle? Pi R square. Circumference of base. 2 pi R. CSA. Third surface area. 2 pi R H. 2 pi R H. Total surface area is equal to 2 pi R H plus 2 bases, that is 2 pi R square. Lateral and CSA curve, this is curve, lateral is vertical. The same thing, same similar form. This is equal to, you can take 2 pi R common, 2 pi R times H plus R. 2 pi R times H plus R. Anything if not follow, tell me. Whichever not followed. Followed or not? Okay, sure. What is it? Huh? Paper. Array, what is shape? Rectangle. Length and breadth. What comes? Cylinder. What is the volume of air? Volume of the air is what? Volume of the cylinder. How do you find the volume of the cylinder? Length and breadth is given. What is by R and H then? What is R and H? Ready? What is radius right? I repeat, I'll show this one. 30 centimeter, 20 centimeter. Okay? Then made it. Then, huh? How would you get 15 radius? This 30 will come as what? 30 will come as what? Circumference 2 pi r is equal to 30. From there you have to find out r. This h is equal to 20. Have you followed? Hello? Listening or not? Look now. This is 30 and this is 20. When it is rotated, made it into a cylinder. Therefore, this will come as 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 30 and this h is equal to 20. Okay, are you followed? So equate 2 pi r equal to 30, you will get the value of r. Then substitute. Suppose you it this way. Then in this case what? 2 pi r is equal to 20 and h is equal to 30. Have you followed all of you? So you have to see the conditions and accordingly you have to do it. Okay, that is the case of this one. Now, next similar hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder or pipe. Hollow cylinder or pipe. Huh? One phase only. One phase only. Pipe, imagine how many phases? 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 2 or 3. Huh? 1. Huh? 1 or 3.
4 or 3. How?
There is an outer face is there. Inner face is there. 2 bases are there. Inner CSA is there, na? Outer CSA is there. The base is there. Circular rings. Think about the pipe. Over here, if you take the base, there is a base over here, na? It is a circular ring. Hollow pipe. Have you seen a pipe? Pipe doesn't have thickness. Yes or no? If hollow pipe means capital R and small r will be same, no? The outer radius and inner radius is same. So different means there is a thickness will be there, no? Then the base will come this way. Yes or no? Circular ring. Is it or not? Patil. This way it will come now. Okay, so number of faces to how much? 4. What is the area of this one? Ring. Pi r square minus r square. Big R square minus small r square. Outer area minus inner area. So right, number of faces. All you right now this one. What is the heading written? Number of faces 4. Faces, surfaces 4. Okay. Dimensions. Capital R, small r, h. Dimensions are capital R, small r and h. Now, thickness. What is thickness? Capital R minus small r. Outer radius minus inner radius is called its thickness. Okay. Volume of the metal is equal to pi h into r square minus r square. Capital R square minus small r square. Outer volume minus inner volume. Volume of metal in the pipe. Yes or no? Pipe, imagine volume of the metal. Outer hollow, no? Outer volume minus inner volume. Base area. Pi times r square minus r square. Next, outer CSA is equal to 2 pi capital RH. Height remain the same. Inner CSA 2 pi small RH. Think and you have to do it. 2 pi small r h. Yeah, large. Now, what will be your TSA? What will be? Add all outer CSA plus inner CSA plus 2 times base area. Means what all things will come? 2 pi capital RH, 2 pi small RH plus 2 times pi capital R square minus small r square. Understood or not? Question comes, you have to see. 2 into pi r square minus r square. Base also then circular ring, top also circular ring is there, na? Okay, that is very. Outer CSA, oh, what? Outer CAS. Yeah. So 2 pi capital R H, 2 pi small r h. All right. Remember. Okay. Done. Next step. This is the cylinder. Next. This much all of you know. Formula. Ready? Huh? Total if you want to write all inner CSA plus outer CSA plus 2 times PCA. Okay. If you want to write TSA, right? TSA is equal to outer CSA plus inner CSA. Written all of you. Go further we go. Is next cone. Cone or right circular cone. Right circular cone. Which, do you know what are the dimensions? 3 things are there. Height, all of you know or doesn't know? Conical shape, all of you know, no?
Yes.
This is R, this is H, this is L, this also is L. What is L? Slant height. Okay, so write the cone. Dimensions are R, H, L. R is radius, H is height, L is slant height. Then relation between these three. L square is equal to H square plus R square. Relation between the three. L square is equal to H square plus R square. Pythagoras theorem, okay? Then volume 1/3 pi R square H. Volume of the cylinder cone is equal to 1/3 pi R square H. How will that it is how it is getting if you how did you get pi R square H?
No, before that you were saying,
How did that be?
so, cylinder and tube you told.
How did you get pi R square H? Tell na. How did you get pi R square H? Base are there, 3-dimensional properties are there, that all things is integration property there. Cylinder is a uniform one, so it is pi R square multiplied by H. Cone is not a uniform one. How it is getting means if you take one triangle and rotate. Imagine one triangle and rotate it along the, like over here. Suppose if you fix it and rotate along this line, you will get a conical faces coming. Okay, so then you will be getting this formula. That is not for you to do. Okay. So remember there's only formula 1/3 pi R square H. Then next base area. Base area pi R square. base area pi r square. CSA. CSA. Dot surface area pi r L. Don't ask how. Pi r L. TSA.
Okay.
SSL.
Fire, it's spot.
Two surfaces only, no, pi r L plus pi r square. That is pi r times L plus r. Pi r L plus pi r square, that is pi r times L plus r. Okay, TSA, remember formula. What is the capacity of the cone? Volume, the volume, okay. Now, next is, if a cone, listen, if a cone and a cylinder of same radius and same height, what is the relation? Cone and a cylinder of same radius and same height, what is the relation?
Base release.
Oh, something else. Huh? So, what is the relation? And what is the volume of the cylinder? What is the volume of the cylinder? Pi r square. What is the volume of the cone? 1/3. So volume of the cone is equal to 1/3 of volume of the cylinder. Base will remain same and volume of the cone is equal to 1/5. So right, if a cone and cylinder of same radius and same height, cone and cylinder of same radius and same height, then volume of cone is equal to 1/3 into volume of cylinder. Volume of cone is equal to 1/3 into volume of cylinder. Okay. Done. Next one. Sphere. How many faces are there for a sphere? Only one face. Okay. Which face? Third surface now. Radius is dimension is r. What is the volume of the sphere? What is the volume of the sphere? 4/3 pi r cube. Don't forget this one. Only here only cube comes. Nowhere else square cube comes. Volume of the sphere. And then sphere. Volume of the sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Surface area. If it's asked total surface area, curved surface area, or any surface area, it is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Then we say, is there a sphere footballer? You're a footballer, no? Football base is there, no? Is the base is there football? Base area is not there, does not exist, no? No base, only one surface. Okay, doubt. Okay. So they tell me, is it a what is football? Sphere?
No.
Not completely. Okay, tell it says spherical one means hollow sphere. All this one, football, basketball, volleyball, snowball, all these are hollow sphere. Then what is sphere? But short put, that metallic one. That is coming and then fully metal na. Laddu, laddu. Inside it is same metal na. It's a sphere. Yes or no?
Brown.
I do. Next class you bring that gives you the spherical plane. You bring now? Will you bring? Huh? You'll try it. You'll read it. Okay. What happened to you? You mark me certainly your father. Your father is not here. He is unhappy father. You really tell your father, mark what father is it? Okay, happy, not happy. Shouted, not shouted. Nothing. Happy. Okay, okay. Okay. What about you? Huh? Sister, did you tell your sister? Let me mark them, then I don't say anything. Oh, Patil. Okay. Like spherical shell. Spherical shell or hollow sphere. Spherical shell. Volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube minus r cube. Capital R cube minus small r cube. Four by 3 pi capital R cube, big R cube minus small r cube. What is capital R? Outer radius. Inner, small r, inner radius. What is thickness? What is thickness? What is thickness? Yeah, R cube minus R minus R. Remember, but R cube. R is thickness means capital R minus small. What is this curl? You want to tell something? Since long term, that's a cheaper. So thickness means capital R minus small r. Okay, understood. Remember. Now, if they ask you find out the surface area of the hollow football, then what will you find? Outer surface area, inner surface area you cannot see now. Yes or no? Surface area means out 4 pi capital R square. Are you followed? Outer radius only you have to use it. Inner surface you can, it's not visible, no? Okay, remember. Yeah. Next is hemisphere. Hemisphere. Hemisphere means what? Half of the sphere. Volume. So like volume is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Here base area is there. Circle pi r square. CSA 2 pi r square. TSA add both of them 3 pi r square. And height is same as radius. Height of the hemisphere is equal to radius. Height is equal to radius. All of you followed? Okay. Hemisphere. Example. Bowl. Yes or no? A bowl, katori. Yes or no? Hemisphere. And capacity means inner radius. Their volume, according to the questions we have to do, what is this girl is sleeping? School also she is sleeping?
Yes.
You have the same issue.
Yes.
Yes.
That's not happened. She was sleeping.
Last class also she is sleeping. And this brother's project, God no. He must be doing. No, what project is it? Let me hear. Or I tell one subject project name. One subject project name. Huh? Why? You only said no, you are doing no. So then I will come to know no, you are doing it just only. Yeah, okay. Huh? Physics, science, he is in fourth standard. Fifth standard. Okay, maths project, what is it?
In graph.
Graph project. So, give something to them to do. Simple. So, this all formula. Done. Height of the hemisphere, did you write? Radius. What is the height of the sphere?
Radius.
Height of the sphere. Diameter. Height of the sphere is equal to diameter. Height of the. Okay. So, followed. All the formula. Learned. Who can tell all formula? All of you stand up. Tanvi, ready? Those are ready, can sit down. Vanshika is already. Without formula, you cannot do. Formula is not enough beyond that. You can do one. Monday I'll give. Today is Friday, no? Monday. You're all ready. Akka, if not, huh? Exam you after exam you study, okay? Exam will get over at 10:30, na? After that you study. Huh? Samosa? Samosa? Comedy? You bring one comedy, okay? Patil will give everyone samosa. You not study, no? Those who say the answer, you give samosa. The girls also, 25 rupees, Jama 25 rupees. That's it. How many gulab jamun you bring? One. All for everyone. Huh? 20. Or a 20 piece, you know, for where one piece is something 15 rupees. Huh? Are you learn? Yes, good. Monday. Yes, today.
No.
Those are ready with Monday, sit down. Exams are over, okay? Chapter wise thing, okay? 70 plus you said, no? What was your problem? Okay, Girish, standard. What was the difficulty on this? Okay, look here. Total surface area of cone.
Pi R.
Wrong. Pi RL is called surface area only.
So, pi R L plus pi R square.
Pi RL plus pi R square or pi R times L plus R. Okay, whichever convenient we tell, no problem. Okay, lateral surface area of the cuboid.
Thanks, I think this CH.
That is total surface area. LB is not there. LB will remove it. 2LH plus B. 2H is L plus B. Second mistake. Yes. First mistake also is good. I'm telling you looking in the book. Volume of the cone.
190 pi square inch.
That is correct. Sit down. So learn. Okay. Now listen here. All of you listen. Mainly you are finding difficulty in the surface area. Volume generally don't find any difficulties because you know when the combination of solids are going to come, when one solid is attached to the other solid, volume will be added. Volume of the solid. Suppose for example this one. This contains a cylindrical part. There is one little conical part is there, then again another cylindrical part is there. Understood? This part if you see means it is called frustum of the cone. You don't have that much. Okay. Imagine, okay, forget about this is one cylinder and second cylinder is there. Yes or no? What is the volume of this cylinder? What is the volume of this bottle? Volume of this cylinder plus volume of this cylinder. Are we followed? Now what will be the surface area of this cylinder bottle? How many surfaces are there? Huh? Which are the four? Top. Bottom. And where is this? There is another surface over here also, no? Five surfaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6 each other.
Huh? That's not
It's
what.
not standard.
No, what? The inside you don't need to cut. Okay, you have to, suppose if I want to find the surface, I will not cut my head and these inside only.
That's standard.
Look, surface means like out visible surface, not inner surface, outer surface. One, you have to paint this bottom. Suppose if you want to paint this one, you have to paint this side, here, 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 like that. You have to see. Inside, when joining the bases plate inside, that you don't need to see. Here, the base is one base, certain part is there. That you have to see. Understood or not? Okay, so you have to think, you have to imagine, and you have to do. That is the part we have to do. Volume when it is next property write down. When one solid melted and change. When one solid when one solid changed its shape, what remains same? Volume remains the same. When one solid changed the shape, the volume remains same. Are you followed? A cylinder is melted and made into a cone. What will remain same? Volume of the cylinder is equal to volume of the cone. Okay. Now suppose again, water is in the bottle. It's in the shape of what? What bottle shape cylinder? Water is in the hemisphere, in the shape of a hemisphere. Suppose water in the hemisphere is transferred into small cylinders, equal cylinders. How many cylinders needed to transfer? I repeat, there is a bowl contains full of water. It should be transferred into small cylindrical bottles. How many bottles are required to empty that bottle? Sorry, what? Volume of the bigger one, volume of the hemisphere divided by volume of one bottle. Are you followed? Number means volume of the ore, like a big ball, melted, okay, and made into small balls. How many balls are there? Volume of the bigger one divided by volume of the one small one. That these all questions are simple because the pi and all calculations are lot. So the number you can release. Okay. Now, while doing the sums, always remember first is at last only you have to calculate multiplication and simplification. Simplification possibly simplify, but calculation multiplication and not at last only do. Whichever answers required, there only do. Okay. Then attend conical made up of canvas. How much canvas is required? 3 years area. That's a curved surface area. Yeah. Now, how do you want because we have used close and pipe. Very good. Which chapter you are doing? Trigonometry.
Second level.
First level done.
Yes.
All done.
Yes.
Okay.
Long.
Okay.
During Diwali.
Diwali.
Hari. Hari.